You gotta move fast. I recently bought a fix and flip that took me 4 weeks to do it. Typically, some of my flips have taken up to a year to get them done because they're extensive, they're full gut rehabs. I'm not doing gut rehabs right now because the market is just not the right time for that. Because again, we're declining. If I do a year-long project, what the market is today and what it looks like a year from now is gonna be very different. But if I do a 4-week project, I'm pretty safe. Real estate values don't decline that fast, especially when the fundamentals are sound for the market. And so as a result of that, I did this 4-week flip. I bought the property for $430. I put $50,000 into it and I got an offer at $595,000. Now, when I bought it, my comp supported a value around $600, but I was hedging it down. So I listed it at $589 just to be safe. But again, we moved fast enough to where we were able to capture almost a $600,000 ARV we spec'd out from the beginning. So move fast. You gotta move faster than the market.